Hey, come on in. Welcome to the Weather Center.
Hey Ken, I was just wondering, what makes tornadoes?
Oh, that's a great question. Tornadoes are always associated with thunderstorms, and that's when you get these big towering clouds up into the atmosphere that produce heavy rain, downpours, thunder, lightning, and the whole works. And what happens is, before you even get a thunderstorm, you have air that's heated by the ground and rises up into the sky. And if you can picture up where the pilots fly, way up into the atmosphere, it gets very cold up there. So as the warm air rises up to those levels, it gets very cold. And cold air, being heavier, tends to sink back down to the ground. So essentially, when you have a thunderstorm, you have winds that are blowing up into the cloud and then back down to the ground. So there is a horizontal circulation of air built into pretty much every thunderstorm. Now, when you have a key ingredient, such as a wind blowing in across the thunderstorm, sometimes that horizontal rotation of air can turn vertically, and then you get a tornado.
That's the scariest thing I've heard all day. What's the difference between a watch and a warning?
Well, a lot of people get those confused. Watches are issued well in advance of any event. That warns you, essentially helps you plan the afternoon. So if they put out a severe thunderstorm or a tornado watch for the afternoon, usually it covers a wide area and it's for an extended period of time. If you ever hear the word warning, that means take cover now. Warnings are issued for very short durations, perhaps maybe a half hour, letting you know that severe weather is on your doorstep, and take action. Watches mean plan your day with caution. Warning means take action.
So what kind of action should I take if there is a tornado warning?
If your county or your location is put under a severe thunderstorm or a tornado warning, the best place to be is in a sturdy building, and try and get into the center part of the building. You don't want to be along any outside walls, and especially nowhere near anything such as windows, which could break and shatter and cause injury.
So I guess hang gliding would be out of the question.
That's a good bet. If you're put under a watch, no hang gliding lessons that day.